Guys, what's going on, everyone? I'm about to show you how you sell an NFT. I bet there's some people out there that want to get rid of these NFTs. They see the crypto going down, you want to sell. I don't advise on selling your assets, but I do advise on making money. So if there's a profit to be made, let's get in and do it. I'm going to show you right now how to sell an NFT. Guys, what I've done is I've logged into my MetaMask, okay, and I've come over to my OpenSea account. Now, I'm going to try and sell, let's go for example, this duck, all right? Super easy. You've already got it in your wallet. The best offer so far is 0.02 wet, all right? All you're going to simply do is click the sell button. Now, you type in the amount you want to put it up for. I'm going to say, let's put this up for 1 ETH. All right, it's going to be $1,607.40. You can either do it for a fixed price or a timed auction. All right, pick the time you want to do it, unless you want to just do it straight away and complete the listing. Okay, you're going to get the transactions fee when it goes to your wallet. It's going to ask you to confirm. I'm actually not going to do it only because I don't want to put it up for sale. It's my NFT, but I just wanted that to show you that's how easy it can be, and you can do that with any of your NFTs. You can also do it on every chain like Solana and things like that. They all work pretty much the same, but this one on OpenSea is probably the most famous. All right, you do the exact same with the crypto bear. You would just press sell. And what I would do first, guys, is go and compare. So have a look with the floor prices. The floor price is 0.049 right now, which is crazy because I bought this for around about 3 ETH. So that's a bit crazy. But that's how you sell it, guys. Again, family, I do not recommend selling anything while we're in a bear market. But if you know it's getting you profit, if you're making your seed money back, get it sold, make some money. It's absolutely up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. Again, I only do it for educational purposes only. So let's go get that like button hit, get a subscribe button hit. Please hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next video.